If you haven't gotten into the free battery promotion from Metabo HPT, now is the time because this promotion is going to end at the end of September. If you're not familiar with the promotion, you get a free 4/8 amp hour multi-volt battery with the purchase of about 70 different approved tools. If you're interested in those approved tools without going through the drop-down menu, I'll put a link to my blog in the description where I have all of them listed out. It is an awesome deal because you can pick up these tools anywhere from Amazon, Lowe's, Acme Tools, any tool barn, anyone who sells Metabo HPT, and you can find the best deal. It doesn't matter what you paid for this tool, it just has to be new. Pretty sweet deal. We're gonna go over some ins and outs of what you're gonna have to do to get all the 10 free batteries. Stay tuned. It was incredibly hard to keep all these tools in the boxes for about 5 weeks while I waited for these batteries to come, only to do this video to kind of give you proof and give you my experience going through this rebate, we'll call it, because this is a thing that goes directly through Metabo HPT. It is not through the stores. These batteries don't come with the tools that you buy. You have to submit a form and you go to www.metabohptfree.com, and the batteries that you get once you buy the tools and go through that come in this little bag at this point in time, and they're new. They have a plastic cover on them because they're over 18 volts, and here you go. You get your one free battery per tool. What that means is when you're going through this, you can buy 10 tools from one place, no issue, but you have to submit the rebate form 10 times, and you're gonna have to go through the rebate, pick out the one tool or the first tool, submit all the proof for that, and then go through. So you have 10 different rebates in. Not a big deal, but something else to learn. So the other thing is you can go out and buy different deals that are out there from different places. In fact, if you look around, you might find one who will send you a free AC adapter if you buy a kitted tool. And if you're just getting into the Metabo HPT line, they're sending you a free battery, not a free battery and charger. So if you went out and bought like this one-handed recip saw that is bare tool only, you will get a free battery, but you won't have a charger. So my suggestion is look for a kit. You can find like the triple hammer bolt kit that's here, or the drill kit that comes with a charger and a couple batteries. You get an extra battery, but you really need that charger. Or you just pick up another charger if you wanted to and pay for it. I mean, there's all kinds of options out there. There's some great tools in this list. We've gone over 90% of them. In there is going to be the 6.5 inch deep cut circular saw that cuts just as deep, if not a little bit deeper than some of the 7.25. That's pretty amazing. We got a good video out on that. This vacuum is a dual battery vacuum. It works awesome. It has adjustable suction on it, so you can really burn up batteries quick and get some great suction, or you can tone it back a little bit and get a little more battery life. There's a lot of things that you can choose from. The one tool that I was unable to get was the 36 volt jigsaw. I could only find the 18 volt jigsaw, so I did pick that up kind of to round out all the tools that we have here. The 7.25 inch rear handle circular saw is another one. One that I don't have up here is going to be their mid-torque impact wrench. Absolutely awesome, and that would be a good one to buy in a kit because it is not that expensive, but works great. And if you went over to Torque Test channel, that was in their top 3 not too long ago. I imagine it's still there. It's a pretty sweet impact wrench. With that said, 10 batteries on top of the kits that we already have here. I'm basically got 1.5 batteries per tool out of this 10, which is very sweet. They should last a long time. There's a lifetime warranty on most of these tools. This is a smoking deal to get into, and I wish other tool companies kind of would put some of this stuff out there. This is, I think, the second time I've seen this, because in prior times they've done a free AC adapter kit with some of the tools. And either way, where I'm going with this is get some of these tools, especially some of the more high-end 36 model or 36 volt tools. they're impressive to say the least. And the battery runtime off this is also very good. This will work on some of the older tools. Like I picked up an older right angle 18 volt. Takes the same battery. It's a little bit larger than some of the 1P 3 amp hour batteries. Doesn't matter. It's still small enough it works. Great deal. If you got into it, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear what you guys bought, because I mean, there's anything from miter saws, table saws, I mean, the list is immense. Go to the blog listed below. Check out that list. It's crazy. Leave me your comments. Let me know if you got into this. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.